Now let's complete the housing installation. First, fit the antenna housing to the cover before tightening the screw. The ground cable from the antenna needs to be connected to the copper wire, so it will be long enough to run along the car before getting connected to the radio. After connecting the wires, make sure the connected wires are wrapped with wire tape. This is to prevent electric shock. Then, hide the wire by running it along the headliner to the A-pillar. In order to hide the wires, you will need to remove the rubber stripping and the A-pillar. Then, tidy up the wire by tying or taping the cables together. Push the rest of the cables into the dashboard, so they can be connected to the car radio later. Finally, reinstall the A-pillar cover and the rubber stripping. See next part of the video, where we will show you how to connect the antenna to the radio.